Bodega Boys.
Yeah. Fuck yeah. Yo, yeah.
Yo, shit, the block is hot,
Yeah, nigga, yo, son, yo, pass me that. Yo, chill. Don't get the shit wet. Don't get the shit wet. Guys.
Throw on that
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys.
Look at this guy.
I'm gonna go to my car and get my wrench. I'm gonna have to shut this down. This is a violation of the water code.
Man, yo, it's 104 degrees out on the fucking blizzard.
Yeah. I mean, I understand.
Harlem representative.
Yeah, I mean,
fuck out of here.
Okay, I understand.
Yo, whose man is it? Yo, get the fuck out of here, man.
Okay, I understand you guys have no way to keep cool. I understand that you guys have no way to keep cool.
Yo, Janiqua, bring that bucket over here.
Okay.
Yo,
why are you bringing a bucket?
Why are you
bringing a bucket? What's the bucket for?
Yo, you too hot, man.
Sir, please keep your distance.
You're sweating.
Sir, please keep your distance.
You have sweat on your head because your respiratory system.
Sir, I just started my. I cannot get wet, sir.
Down.
Sir, I have my phone is in my pocket.
It's cool. You have an OtterBox.
Sir. Whoa. What is that over there?
Yo, what's going on?
Is that kid? Is that the new kid?
Oh, that's
the rookie. It's the fucking rookie.
Brokowski. That's Jeff's kid.
Hey,
Brokowski.
Hey, what the fuck is going on over there?
That kid got a bucket.
He's got a fucking bucket. He's got a Brokowski.
Bucket.
There's a fucking bucket. No! Oh my God.
They won him.
They won him. What the fuck is going on? Oh my God. Oh, he's on the floor. Come here.
I got 10-13. I need 10-13. I need a bust and a rush. I need a bust and a rush. I need some Terry Clark blankets.
Stay with me. Come on.
Oh my God.
Come on, kid. Come on, keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open.
Oh my God.
Come on, breathe. I mean, don't breathe because you're gonna get water in your nose.
Oh shit, his phone is drenched.
Oh no.
His phone is drenched.
Oh no. Oh,
Rookie,
what are we gonna do?
Rookie, tell me. Do you have Apple Care?
You get it. Go to the store and get a bag of rice. Get a bag of rice for the phone.
Oh my God.
Get a bag of rice for the phone.
He's only been on for 3 weeks.
Oh, mod on.
Don't go towards the light. Don't go towards the light.
Come on, stay with me.
You need some water.
Guys, I'm just wet.
Give him some water. Oh my God, he's delusional. He's going in shock.
I'm already wet.
I need a bus with a rush.
Guys, I'm just.
Someone call Stabler.
I'm just wet. It's really okay.
Oh my God.
I just need it.
He's delusional.
I just got to go back to
He's losing blood over here. You fucking moolies. I'm going to make it rain blood in the jungle tonight.
Guys, it's enough. I just got wet. I just got to go back to the precinct to get a pamphlet. Some pants. Okay? Is it okay?
We need a bus. Someone get a bus.
This fucking guy is losing it. He's losing it. He's going to die on us.
10-4, we need a bus to episode 166 at Bodega Boys Avenue. Yeah, we got this guy's soaking.
Oh my God. Rookie, stay with me. Rookie.
Yeah, I'm here.
Rookie.
I'm here.
Rookie.
I'm here.
Say do the drop.
I'm here.
Take me through the drop.
Okay. Do the drop. What the hell is going on?
Oh
Guys, I'm fine. I'm just a little wet.
I swear to you, at your funeral, I'm going to turn my back to de Blasio.
I mean, it's actually a little relieving, actually. It's kind of hot. I'm wearing this, tactical clothing.
Just shut the fuck up.
I'm actually kind of...
Shut the fuck up.
I'm not that upset.
The SBA just texted me. They said, shut up. We're going to use this for political stuff.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. This is terrible.
Yeah.
Do the drop.
His last words were Blue Lives Matter.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Yo, it's episode 166 of the world. It's not even the world's most dangerous podcast because I'm sure there's like a podcast in Mogadishu that's like probably about like
wild dangerous.
Yeah. This is like
there's more shells going off in the
This
background.
is dangerous in the way that New York City is dangerous if you don't have health insurance.
That's right.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying? It's dangerous to us.
It's dangerous in your head. Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
Because then you do dumb shit. You go out drinking and then you jump off a little, it's not even like a high fence. Like maybe 3 feet high.
Yeah.
Could have done it in your 20s. Now you're in your 30s.
You thought.
You overestimated.
Yep.
You land.
Yep.
You feel weird now.
Yeah, now you feel weird. Now you wake up and your ankle looks like a softball, and you're like, "What happened last night?"
But like, you don't. And you go to urgent care, but you don't got urgent care money. So what do? You buy Georgie.
Yep.
And you drink away the pain.
And you drink away the pain, dog. Like Havoc said.
Okay, that's who we make this podcast for.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is? It's your boy Jesus Nice.
You know what I'm saying?
The boy's so nice they named him twice. Actually, they didn't. They just named me once, but you know, it's cool. And it's the kid Mero.
The human direct flap in the building, y'all. Yes, fresh from eating a pound of platanos. I am stuffed.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Carbo loading for this 5K.
This is the podcast, so you know what I'm saying? Like every week we make content for you. We come here with content. But now we got like Alexa. We have different there's different ways you can communicate with us. Yeah. So we're going to pause for 30 seconds. Yeah. We want you to yell what you want us to talk about at your speaker. And we're going to make the podcast off of that.
All right, you ready?
And we're starting now.
Go. Okay, ass eating again. Wow.
Right
popular,
there.
Super popular,
right there.
super popular.
And I heard a lot of Pinot.
A little Pinot, yeah.
A lot of Pinot.
Yeah,
so,
Pinot,
guess
you got it.
Guess we'll go there. Let me start at the beginning, at the top of the list. My man Mero eats ass like this.
Yo,
you should do a. Remember, wow! At one point in America, people were like buying fitness tapes.
Yeah,
it's like Jane Fonda was
remember that
shit,
bro. I remember I actually tried to do the P90X shit.
Woo.
And I didn't get past.
I downloaded all the torrents for P90X. I was like, I'm gonna be fucking ripped this summer.
Same.
I watched that
all
first
on
10
blank
minutes.
CDRs. Yeah.
I was like, nah.
They because they got in the beginning. It's like the "Are you ready for this test?" And I did the "Are you ready for this test?" 20 times. That was my P90X experience. I was like, nah, I'm not ready for this at all. You man is just jumping up and down. Nigga got 12 and a half abs. I'm like, yo, dog, no.
I was like, yo,
this is not
I'm
for me.
gonna fuck it up. You said, you ready for this? And you know it. Oh shit.
Shout out to Grammarly. Yo, Grammarly's fucking buying everything on YouTube, dog. I don't know. Is it targeted towards niggas? Because we fucking.
We don't talk properly? we don't talk good?
The King's English?
No, you said, are you ready for this? And all I could think about was this.
Oh, shit. Yeah. I'm waiting for earbuds to pop out.
You gotta use this at like a gender reveal.
Hell
like,
yo. Y'all ready for dicks? It's a boy.
Yo, gender reveals are wild.
Gender reveals are wild.
Somebody came out
boring.
today and was like, I invented a gender reveal.
Who said that?
He did. He invented
I feel like the fucking housewives were relating me. Like, who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
He was like on Reddit or something. He invented a gender reveal in like 2008.
Let's get the fuck
And
out
the thing
here.
is, the baby that they gender revealed is now non-confirming.
He's like, fuck y'all.
Yeah, so shout out to that.
He's like, they cut the cake and it just said somewhere on the spectrum.
Because I was like, nah, there's no way he invented a gender reveal, but I don't remember it before that. Think about it.
You could.
Some people were like, yo, it's always been there. And I'm like, it hasn't.
There's a lot of things that you could claim.
Yeah.
Since he claimed that, we could.
What do we want to claim?
Push gifts.
Push gifts.
We invented push gifts.
Come on, that's why. We gotta make more. We invented freestyle.
Bang.
Boom.
That's it. We're done here.
Nobody
ever did
was
freestyle
making
before
freestyle before us.
That's
Ask Big Time Tommy.
That's right.
Me, Mero, and Big Time Tommy, Vinny
Dice.
Dice.
We're in the lab. We created a whole genre. Enjoy it. You're welcome. We went back in time. You know what I'm saying? Big time. Oh my God, that's a terrible buddy movie that we're probably gonna get pitched.
That would be great. We go back and freestyle.
The boys and the Bodega Boys and Big Time Tommy and Vinny Dice go back in time. Big time to invent a genre of music and change the world.
We have to say freestyle, bro.
That's right.
We have to say freestyle.
They're keeping it old school.
You know what
for
it is?
Life.
What's going on?
In
a world where no one's heard of freestyle.
Nobody. A Puerto Rican grandmother has never had sex indiscriminately with a person she just met.
Stevie B's the mayor of New York City.
Oh my God.
What's going on?
This is... The world has gone mad.
And Big Time Tommy accidentally drops his cigar and he gets transferred into like a time thing. He's like, whoa.
Hey, take it easy. Take it easy.
Oh, Tommy, what the
He's
fuck?
Like, yo. And then
Tommy, what the fuck?
You just grab his hand like, yo, Tommy, where you going? And then I grab your hand and we make a chain. Like, It's like weird science. We have bras on our heads for no reason.
Sir, what type of music is that you're playing? You never heard of this.
You never heard this?
Tommy, they never heard of this.
You never heard freestyle?
They never heard of Springlock.
Come on, bro.
What the fuck?
You don't remember the first time we ever met? Come on, bro.
Tommy, they're looking at you like you're crazy. Eat one of your eggs.
I'm the Messiah. I came back. We brought back freestyle.
Is this basically that Beatles movie?
The Church of Tommy.
Like, everyone's like, I don't get it. I don't get it. It's a good movie, y'all. We won a TCA, but not an Emmy. Woo.
Shout out to the TCAs.
Shout out to TCAs. We got that coming up.
You know what I'm saying?
That's gonna be a hot mess.
Y'all niggas ain't gonna even know because it's not gonna be on TV, but we telling y'all, so believe us.
Yes.
Just like the guys.
Also, we're doing the old Don Rickles style roast.
Yeah.
Niggas gonna be drunk,
Mad
got
racist
cigar,
and shit.
mad racist, mad sexist. I'm gonna just cup someone's boob. Give it up for my Chinaman over here.
Yeah.
Ching chong, ching chong.
All the Orientals in the house, make some noise.
Yeah.
He's all right there.
Yeah.
All right, yeah.
All right, well, here comes a Black People's movie sponsored by KFC.
Yeah, look at this. Hey, what the fuck we got? In the Heights, nominated for Best Musical, brought to you by Goya and Secret Families.
Goya, oh boy.
Yeah.
I know some of y'all worried about how you can get home. Mero's Dominican, so he can drive you home in his cab.
Yeah, that's right. I got a town car outside. Hey.
Everyone's like, I don't get it. So
Yeah.
like, it's
It's regional, guys.
Worse is like we do that and like it doesn't resonate.
They're like, what the fuck?
There's no controversy. It was like it was just bad. I was like, it was like we were
you're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
I'm on stage with blackface. Like, wow. It took me 20 minutes to put this on. They're like, why did you put blackface on? You're already black. I was like, it's parody.
Guys.
It's farce.
Hello, satire. Yo.
No, we're gonna do the TCA, but we're theming it like the Source Awards.
Oh yeah, we gotta come out like fucking Snoop and fucking
We got
Dre and shit.
David Evans coming out like, yo,
Like Suge
he's coming
with
out
the
like
red
Suge.
suit. Like, yo, you don't want your motherfucking senior vice president, president of fucking whatever the fuck, all in the fucking
video.
show, dancing, saying you know what I'm saying?
Just remember-
Come to Showtime.
Come to Showtime. We just got HBO under pressure. Nigga just stabs.
Hanging fucking Peter Dinklage off the fucking balcony and shit. Like, yo, you coming to Showtime, little nigga?
We just like stab Issa Rae.
Yo, this isn't how we do business, guys. This is bad. This is bad.
Oh shit! Shout out to all our viewers on Shuggle. All right? If you ain't down with Shuggle,
You know what I'm saying? What the fuck is you showing?
okay,
How you showing? We could go on for days.
that's the notification.
How you
How you shooting? Y'all don't get that, but the people who get that get that.
Get it.
Oh shit! What else happened this week? Cop got killed by water.
Yeah. Okay. Yes,
hate to see it.
You hate to see
see
cops getting hydrated on a hot summer
I
day.
hate to see it.
Yeah, oh, man.
Their guns are waterproof though, right?
Yeah. And he's probably hyped. He's like, yo, I get to go home early. It's lit. Like,
I'm an old school New Yorker because I watched that video. I was like, why didn't they shoot them?
That's how I was expecting this to
That's
end.
how I was
I was like, wow, plot twist. He didn't get killed.
I was like, wow.
Oh shit.
Also, New York has come so far because now they're just dumping buckets of water on cops. Before they were throwing buckets off rooftops full of compound
Yes.
at cops.
Remember that?
Remember that?
Yeah, remember the frozen eggs and super
Remember
suckers
that
full
shit?
of bleach?
But
water balloons
full
full of other things?
Listen, it's
know what I'm saying?
it's the game has changed.
Yo,
People
that-
are like, you must respect the cops. I was like, whoa.
Whoa.
First of all, that's how you don't get respect.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't-
Also, I see way too many cops playing Candy Crush in public.
You think I don't see you guys? Every time I walk down the street in my uniform, huh? Are you talking about, yo, fuck the pigs, huh? You think that's okay? You think that's okay? Every time I come in here, every dating profile, oink, oink, huh?
So now you're Begu boss, but he's a cop.
He's a cop. Imagine that guy's a cop. Oh, my God.
He would be the best cop ever.
Yo, he would
He would be the best cop
he'd
ever.
have 20 bodies already.
Exactly.
Not the sexual kinds.
I don't want to do this podcast anymore. I want to take a nap.
We should
lay
do that shit
down?
one day. What episode do we have to get to where we do stupid like fucking
I think
performance
we could do
art?
that right now.
Like shit, like just be like,
We
yo.
just like nap. We just not out.
Somebody's gonna get mad. Or we could just do the like special episodes where we just do like ASMR, like Kawhi Leonard and Paul George are on the
We have to
Clippers
do the
now.
special French art film version.
Oh, we
And it's just us in like a white room, black table,
no audio.
where our faces are painted like mimes,
We're just like
and we're just sitting smoking. Like you're holding a red balloon.
This is odd.
Then we don't say anything. But it records for, and every now and then I touch like one of the sound effects. I'm like,
Ow.
stupid Americans.
You stupid Americans. They don't understand.
Deodorant. What is that?
What is that? They putting aluminum in their armpits.
Speaking of
Fools.
armpits, my girlfriend has dreads in hers.
Oh, amazing. That's
and
so
on her
hot.
coochie.
That's very hot.
It looks like Milli Vanilli.
Shout out to Milli Vanilli, yo.
Shout out to everyone that doesn't know who the fuck Milli Vanilli
Yo,
is.
for real.
They're like, who?
Girl, you know it's true.
So they were just like, yo,
I had to
the person we can't
you.
speak about on this podcast because, people get sensitive.
Oh, yeah.
That they still use Milli Vanilli references in their raps. And I was like, wow, most people don't know who Milli Vanilli is.
Wow.
Yes,
So,
it's a
look,
whole new generation.
Wow, you are
Blueface
out of
does not
touch.
know who Milli Vanilli is.
Not at all. Not at all. He's like, yo, that's the dude that Suge hung over the balcony, right?
Yeah, that sounds like Milli Vanilli sounds like a gangster rapper. Like 9 Milli Vanilli.
9 Milli Vanilli.
Yeah.
A white gangster rapper, yeah. 9 Milli Vanilli. Yo, 9 Milli Vanilli from Scarsdale, nigga, what up?
But he writes about like gun rights. 9 Milli Vanilli.
This gotta be.
So this is the part of the podcast where I blow Mero's fucking mind. I don't know where you thought that sentence was going. Mero, what's our favorite store in California?
Erewhon?
Yes.
Yes.
What does Erewhon backwards spell?
Nowhere. Yo! Yo, I just guessed that and I was right.
Yo, shout out to my homegirl Pia who put me onto that.
Yo.
And she also said I'm stupid as fuck for not realizing that off the rip.
I mean, but who goes to stores and is like reading them backwards, to be fair?
I mean,
in your defense.
I mean, to be fair, we be smacked in LA.
Like, I never pulled up at Target and was like, yo,
Dargy.
Tetgar.
You know what? I realized that first time we was in
I did that wrong.
that first time we went to California, we did so much weed that I kind of expect every time we go to California, that's how much weed we're going to do. And then I go to California, people's like, we just live normal lives.
Yeah.
Our day is not all about smacking
It's not-
edibles
yeah,
and
no,
smoking. I'm
no.
like,
we don't
that shit's
just
whack, bro.
we don't just go to outer space and then shoot jump shots
I'm like,
for no
yo,
reason.
y'all don't got like peanut punch with, y'all don't start your day with peanut punch with like fucking THC in it.
You're not drinking fucking wild 98% THC smoothies? Huh?
Can I get the avocado toast on charcoal bread with sativa?
CBD infused multigrain.
But then,
toast?
like, I don't understand. This dispensary's open at like 7. I'm like, yo, shout out to you.
Gotta get right in the morning.
Because I'm like, yo, who in the right? What weed has getting up at 7? Meanwhile, I'm online at 6:59. Like, is time yet?
Yeah. You guys,
Having a dispensary has to be a life changer because, like, the whole idea that right now one person can control my life, the weed man.
Yo,
That's the ranking order. There's the weed man and my barber.
that's it.
Because you know what? I could get a fucked up haircut. Because I could go anywhere and get my haircut. Can't just go anywhere and go to your weed man.
No,
All right?
nope. Because he might be like, yo, son, I'm sorry.
All right, shout out to the gas man.
You know what I'm saying?
Who for
Gas,
some
man.
reason has adopted the U.S. Postal Code's fucking motto. He's like, through hail, through sleet,
Yo.
through rain.
Mega shout out to the gas man. Pulled up in an Uber,
Yo.
bro. I was like, I have never seen this before. This is what.
And also, gas man hit you. He'd be like, yo, there's going to be a hurricane this weekend, but we still in business.
We good.
You gotta pull up in the kayak like, yo, what's good? What's good? I enjoyed the last podcast. I'm like, yo, thank you, bro.
Nigga got the while flashing, like blinking light and shit. Like niggas in a life raft. Like,
He's
yo.
like, I gotta help. I'm part of the Cajun Navy. I gotta help save a lady off a roof and down in Mississippi. I'm like, I love this guy. He's like, oh, by the way, I got that new gelato.
Yo. Nigga do a donut in the raft and then peel off. Like, yo.
Nah, that's the difference because like my old weed man, yo, he had me out. Yo, fam, we was on MTV2. And your man had me just standing in front of like residences.
That was the
waiting
worst,
for him.
bro.
Like people peeking through the windows, like, is that Desus? I'm
Yo.
like, nah. He said 5 minutes. It's been 25 minutes, but he's still coming through.
That shit is the worst, bro.
He
My
pull
shit
up with
was-
like a date. I'm like, I'm like, yo, Ma, could you pass the money over to him? You look very nice, by the way.
Thank
The
you.
Spanx are holding in your chip crackers.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Like,
What kind of weed is this?
it's weed.
Okay.
was
All
like,
right.
all right.
Sorry. Oh, you have a gun in your lap.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Shit. Okay. Okay.
You
Damn.
know what? You keep the change.
Yeah, that's
You
fine.
can change.
That's
It's your
fine.
birthday. It's your birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
You guys have a great time. Use protection. Yo, what the
You can't
fuck?
even matter. We pull the gun out like protection. What?
Protection for few watts. Huh?
Bear, skin to skin.
yo, pussy cocky
Nigga about to
perfect
drive
team.
off. He be like, man to man, girl to girl. That's wrong. Burn down. I'm like, why'd you have to add the homophobic comment just out of
It was
nowhere?
totally unnecessary, Trevor.
That's how Jamaicans do. That's how we end phone calls.
Burn them.
Thank you, Auntie. Yes.
Yes, thank
Yes,
you.
that's right.
I'll burn them. Sorry.
I love the show. I love what you and Mero do.
Yeah.
Vote no on gay marriage.
Yeah.
Good night.
Yeah.
I'm like,
I like the
how
show.
did that even?
How?
I'm like, that's
how?
not even on the docket,
I
bro.
was
Like,
watching the show. I was having a great time. Then I see the two fussy man, Anderson Cooper and Andy Cohen, on the show.
my cousin was like,
Walking the Lord's path.
he sent me the wild DM about like, that shit's not cool about like making jokes about Mero's dick.
What?
I was like, first of all, you are 13. I will beat the dog shit out of you. Don't you ever DM me.
Why are you DMing me?
You know what? He's like, he's young. He doesn't. He's like,
text me, dog. Like,
he's young and he's in England. So I'm just like, yo. I was like,
What's
first of all,
at me,
I was
dog?
like, you know what? First of all, you just enjoy season 1 of Top Boy. Okay, you just leave me alone with this bullshit.
the irony.
He's like, no, like I could learn so much. I was like, no, like our upbringings are so different. Like, nigga, I had to worry about getting shot. You have to worry about getting stabbed.
You can run away from a knife. You can't run away from a
Also,
bullet.
what I also learned on Desus European tour is you can't joke about getting stabbed.
Oh yeah,
It's very serious
They
over
take
there.
that shit dead serious.
They do not. These little jokey jokes we do. You want to go to jail, nigga?
Say the word. Say the word knife.
These are terroristic threats.
Yo,
So-
facts.
You know what I'm saying? We
Nigga.
listen. I respect the knifer.
Shit.
You know,
Nigga, you fucking.
Knifer sounds like the next generation of Nietzsche. When they replace everyone in the projects with robots.
It's like the laziest Pokemon name ever. Like Knifer.
Knifer.
Knifer used stab attack. It was super effective.
Knifer evolved to machete. Like, we gotta do Bronx Pokemon.
Yo, shut the I'm surprised they haven't
Air
ran
Force
out of
One
names.
transforms to Dirty Air Force One.
Dirty Air Force One. Oh shit, Black High Top Air Force One. Final form.
With 5 felonies.
Oh shit.
Pretty girl in the projects transformed to fat girl on Facebook.
Yo shit.
Oh, She used Throwback Thursday.
Oh, yo, they love Throwback Thursday. Boy, they love it.
That was body shaming.
Yeah, no body shaming.
That was. We haven't done one yet.
Yeah. Here we go.
Listen, it's all fun and games. But you know what? Are we not learning?
We're learning.
Are
And
we
you're
not
learning.
human?
Yes.
Are we not,
And most importantly, are you not entertained?
Yes.
Motherfucker.
Also, shout out to my boy that was like, yo, what's up with Barbie from Euphoria? Yo, hook me up. I was like, nigga, she on TV. Like,
That's not how it
I was
works.
like, your days is done.
That's not how it works
I
at
was like, you
all.
might have had a shot. You might have said
Maybe.
some dumb shit to her on the train one day. But I was like, nah, like, she can't. I was like, there's rules. TV people can only fuck with other TV people.
That's right.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Like,
it is what it is.
Heather got grandfathered in.
Yeah, it's the new Jim Crow.
You said the new Jim Crow.
I'll just do it to myself.
Yes, our new app is called Jim Crow 2.0. If you
It's
see
for
a black person
celebrity
having
dating.
too much fun, you just engage this and it's come through. We got to drop a line on Nike. The Jim Crow
Jim Crow
Off-Whites.
highs. Yo.
I don't know what it is. It sounds problematic, but it's sold out already.
Yo, they already.
Yeah.
Yo. There's, niggas already posted got him on fucking Twitter already.
Like
and
we
they
have
ain't
like
come
this Air Force Ones with like freshly picked cotton on the swoosh.
out.
Nigga.
They're 100% kind. Everything is the upper of the sole. Everything.
Oh my god.
Like yo, these niggas made slippers.
We make black Air Force Ones, but they have like fucking whip marks on the back.
Oh no. Yo, they Air Toby. No! Double up.
Victoria, we get another one. Cause we're going to hell.
You're gonna need a
Yeah.
cold one for the ride.
Jesus. Well, remember the what's his name? Scott for Adidas?
Mm-hmm.
He had,
the Jeremy Scott,
Jeremy
and he
Scott,
made
and he had the
shit with
monster
the shackles,
shit.
yeah.
All right, so we're gonna have like a high top one, but it has like a built-in cotton gym.
Yo, no.
Listen, y'all. You know what?
Everyone
that's outraged right now is a liar because you will be on StockX.
You're copping.
You will be at Flight Club.
Copping.
You sleeping outside, and we're dropping them at the African American Museum in DC. All right.
Yo, no. Fuck, bro.
My fellow hypebeasts, the Jim Crow sneakers are dropping right now. Michelle has them on. They're on fleek.
They're fire. Peep my Euro step.
You know what's fucked up? Everyone's like, those jokes are fucked up. I have like 5 more fucked up jokes on deck.
Way more fucked up.
But we're too high on the radar for me to say that.
Exactly.
If this is episode 22, I would have said them.
Yo.
But if I say them right now, 3 people at Showtime could get fired, so I have to chill.
I was just thinking about this shit last night because I was watching the show and I was like, wait a minute. I was like, yo, we clown the shit out of these XXL like rap niggas. I was like,
They're gonna respond.
they're gonna be like, fuck
I
these
thought
niggas.
about that too, and I was like, I
All niggas is like, they all 5'2".
We have security, but we have security not because we need security, but the security is so we don't beat people up.
Yeah. The security is more for us than for y'all.
Like, when I talk to security, they're like, yeah, you guys need to chill. Because security is definitely...
Security will restrain you.
Yeah.
We'll just fuck you up.
Security definitely was like, I can see you and Mero like beating the life out of somebody at Orchard Beach.
But like accidentally killing a nigga, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo,
I mean, listen.
Yo, sorry. I mean, I just punch until my hands hurt.
You know what they say? You can take the boy out the Bronx, but you can't take the Bronx out the boy.
That's right.
All right?
Like Jadakiss said, I'm tired of punching niggas, so I'm going to shoot niggas because my hands hurt.
That makes perfect sense.
That makes absolute sense.
Absolutely perfect sense coming from the Bronx. Okay?
I'm tired of punching niggas because I'm going to shoot you because my hands hurt. I want to give my hands a break.
Also, we talk about this classic moment?
Oh, yes. J-Lo turning up to lean back. Yeah. She's mad drunk. She got the lines wrong. She didn't give a fuck. Look at Joe. Lyndon Blazer Joe in the building, y'all. Look at Khaled. Khaled is the most hypest hype man. Look at A-Rod.
He said, I don't give a fuck. We from the Bronx,
New York. Shit happens.
Woo! J-Lo was like, I'm from the Bronx.
Yeah. I forgot. Thanks for reminding me. A-Rod's like, yeah, we're from the Bronx, remember?
I love it. I love it.
I'm a Bronx bomber.
Shout out to everyone from the Bronx still enjoying songs from 20 years ago.
Yo,
we need a new Bronx anthem.
Nobody turns up to old songs like Bronx niggas.
We could make a new Bronx anthem.
Yo.
Because like all these young rap, like no disrespect to the young rappers, but we need that straight out of bookings. I've been through it. They haven't been through that shit.
Yeah, nah.
All right.
You need that.
If you never had helicopters searching for you on the block, nah,
bro,
nigga,
it's different. Right? It's different.
It's different.
Yo, you look at that tower, you're like, yo, what is that tower? Why is that tower? What's that NYPD tower thing? What is that? Nah, you don't know.
Man.
You different, B.
Different.
You know what I'm saying?
If you never threw a fistful of pennies at a bus driver,
you know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
You dig?
You know what I mean?
Shit is different.
Shit's different.
You know what I'm saying?
If you never took out a fucking, what is it, the fish tank rock?
Oh, yeah.
And got that graffiti on? Whoa, back before they covered the windows?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Little sandpaper. You know what I'm saying? In front of the cops.
If you remember when the Metro cards was blue.
Fuck out of here. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? There was Metro there was Metro cards, nigga.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Mad extra C's. Fuck out of here.
Everyone's listening to this like, y'all old.
Y'all old.
Ew.
Y'all niggas old. I remember being 20 and being like, yo, 30, y'all niggas is old. I was like, yo, you be 30 one day, motherfucker?
I remember I blocked a kid on Twitter because he said 30 was old.
I was like, yo, dog.
I just straight blocked him. And it was like, this is back when Twitter first started, so there was like 5 people on Twitter.
I was like, yo, come on, my nigga.
Like, fuck you, nigga.
Have you ever 69'd on the couch in your life, you fucking idiot? Like, yo, get out of here. I'm way more
69 was a very good time.
Yeah.
69 is a lot of work, though.
The summer of 69. It's more like I feel like it's like a RPG in that it's like the battle is like turn based.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? It's like, yo, you're topping me off, then I'm eating your pussy, then you top. You know what I'm saying? And then we just take turns simultaneously. It's a lot because it's like you want to concentrate.
Both going, that's not it.
It's like, yo, we're just like a hamster on a wheel here. Like we're both concentrating. We're not.
I feel like because we're allies. I feel like lesbians have an advantage here.
They do.
They do.
They do.
I do. Feel
Absolutely.
Like that.
Yeah. You
and I feel like my homosexual brothers, y'all got problems because stick shifts.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I was in Europe.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
We didn't need a sound. Nor the graphics or the visual. But yes. Wow.
I mean, yo, look, you're right though. Like,
this nigga came through with the farfanugan. Oh my god. Oh. When is it okay to ask? I mean, okay, I don't know anything about like. Well, I can't even ask you because you don't have like a normal fucking Anglo-Saxon marriage. But I mean, at what point is 69 something you should do with someone before you marry them? Right? Yeah.
I mean, you could just keep it going.
Because I have cousins.
Because I'm Susio gang all day.
Shout out my cousins. I'm not gonna blow y'all up. They were virgins until they were married at 28.
Wow.
So they got married the next day, like, you know, we had to. And I was like, yo, how was it? They was like, oh, we were too tired to have sex. I was like, nigga, you waited 28 years to have sex.
You waited 20.
You got 28 years to have bad sex.
Yo, he's like, yo, I could wait one more fucking day. Fuck
yeah,
what's
like,
another day, nigga? It's like being in jail and shit. Like, yo, what's another day, nigga? I don't give a fuck.
They got 2 kids now, but I think they've only had sex twice. I think that they probably treated sex like putting together an IKEA bookcase. They're reading instructions like, all right, put tab A in slot B.
Yo, oh yeah, that's the slot.
Oh,
yeah,
that's it right there.
That's it right there.
Oh, you filthy slot.
Oh yeah,
you filthy slot.
Yeah, you can be a little slot for me.
Let me spin in your hex wrench.
Yeah. Come here. I got an Allen key. Start Yeah, play with my plumb bob.
Listen, Ma, those meatballs ain't gonna glaze themselves. That's the Bodega Boys challenge.
You know
Go
what I'm
have
saying?
sex in an IKEA.
Facts. While you eat the meatballs.
You know what?
The
No
IKEA
bullshit.
ones.
You can do that Monday through Friday. Because no one's in IKEA Monday through Friday.
IKEA, yeah.
It's
facts.
Saturday. People treat IKEA like fucking Disney World.
Oh, yeah.
And come out 60 deep. You don't have to come out 60 deep
Fam.
to buy a couch.
No.
All right?
I don't want to.
Leave grandma at home.
I don't want to see a tour group.
She's
at
walking
IKEA.
slowly with her hands cupped behind her back. She does not want to be here.
She's just like looking at stuff.
She's looking at shit like, oh, we didn't have this in the motherland. No.
Oh, a day bed. I'm sleeping during the daytime. I was working during the daytime.
Is she an old slave? I don't know what this voice is doing.
I'm an old slave. Oh my god. Yo, what?
I don't know what kind of voice is that.
An old lady voice?
I don't know that old lady voice. All I know is she can make a mean fucking fried fish sandwich. Okay?
She got mad. She got the po' boys on
Okay?
deck.
She's just frying them directly in aluminum foil in her kitchen. John Taffer comes through like, what's going on? Shut this down!
Shut this down! This is a health code violation. What are you guys? Are you guys nuts?
There's chicken on the sink. You take this chicken, you put it on the dish rack. Salmonella. You get shut down.
Shut down.
He'll get sick. Are you out of your freaking mind? Have you ever noticed John Taffer never curses?
No.
They just bleep what he says like frickin' and all this shit.
Freaking, yeah. I'm like, yo,
And at the end, he's like, I knew my job was done. And I disappeared. And he never wears a suit and tie.
Yo.
It's always like, he always has like a t-shirt and a jacket over
Facts.
it. Like he's on
With
some
the,
Miami
with
Vice
the slick
shit.
back hair and shit. He's whacked a couple guys. He's whacked a couple maid guys.
We need John Taffer to just show up at niggas' jobs and shit. And just start screaming at you regardless of what your job is.
What are you doing? Is that a fax machine? What the fuck? Scan it in an email.
Hasan, you're in the red. You're in the fucking red. Oh my God, shut it down. Shut Locksmith down.
We're over capacity.
Hasan, you only played 5 bangers in 1 hour. How much money did we lose?
How much money?
Someone's like, $325. $325, Hasan. It's like you're stealing money out of your
This
pocket.
is crazy.
You need to fire him.
This is absolutely out of control.
And you see Hasan's like, I don't like how people, no one's talking to me like that. I don't need this. And he storms off. But in the end, Hasan gets humbled and comes back.
He's like,
and
yo,
he daps up John Taffer.
John was like, I'm sorry I had to yell at you like that, but you know,
I'm not used to it, but correction isn't punishment, John.
YKTV, you got to play a little Ozuna uptown, all right?
You know what, John? they dap each other up. He's like, John, let's rock the party. They show mad people making margaritas and shit. But because they can't clear the music, they're just playing mad
Stock music and shit.
Latin type beat.
This thing's actually killing it and shit, but they just dub it with some whack shit.
This music doesn't match up to what he's playing.
No, he's not actually scratching right now. What's going on? Like, why is he doing scratching motion? But it's just fucking like old timey Baroque music.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Oh man! Oh shit! Like he's like on the turntables, like turning it left and right, and all you does the music.
You're like, all right, hey.
You see, man, like girls with hookah and shit. Like,
Yeah.
That's a picture. I'm like,
Yeah, what up? Yeah. The mad slow mo action. Yeah. Turn up. Yeah. Mad people having fake fun. The showrunner's like, all right. 4, 3, 2, fun. Let's go. All right,
go.
big energy.
Big energy.
Let's
pretend
go.
you just heard the funniest joke in the world. All right, laugh, everyone. All right, now pretend the joke was okay.
Okay, just okay. All right. You're toasting, but like to somebody's death. Okay? All right.
Shout out to April, who what's her actual stage director? Stage director.
Stage director.
Who stage manager? All right,
Yeah,
cool.
stage manager, yeah.
On the number one show late night, you know, Desus and Mero,
You know what I'm saying?
2 nights a week.
Also, shout out to Dan for stepping in for Fat
Critically,
God. You know what I'm
critically
saying?
acclaimed. We got one of our PEDs in the house. Shout out to Robert in
You know
the
what I'm saying?
crib. One of the riders.
You know what I'm saying?
Cornhouse in the
Gang.
building. You know what it
You know what I'm
is.
saying?
Shout. You know what I'm saying?
Noted Francesa expert.
You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
I just want to say, you know, we don't need an Emmy.
No.
We don't. We don't even need to be nominated.
We're chilling.
Because you know what? We're happy in our, you know, office. We have T-shirts.
Yeah. We got merch and shit.
Our
We got
softball
fucking-
team is 4-0.
Yeah.
That's not true. But
But we beat John Oliver
yeah.
at softball.
Did we?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know anything's going on.
Their team is named Bangers and Mash. Like,
No, I'm not even gonna lie. I watched the show on Mushrooms in Austin. Shout out to Austin.
Yo,
we killed it.
Yeah, shout out to
Austin
Mushrooms.
High coming out.
Shout out to fucking macro dosing. Mushrooms.
Fam, I watched the show. The first time I watched the show was always like critical. Like, oh my god.
Yeah.
After watching the show critically and just watching the show and enjoying it, fam, I was on the floor of the first 5 minutes. I was crying. I almost choked to death in a plate of pulled pork. Shout to Slab. Hold this down.
You know what I'm saying?
I was like, this
brisket
shit is funny. And then they show, yo, fam, like the sketches and shit.
Yeah, listen.
What's up there?
You know what I'm saying? We doing some things out here.
I mean, it's not like
You
anyone thought we were gonna fail.
know what I'm saying? Imagine.
Imagine Dragons
Yeah.
with Kendrick Lamar.
21 Pilots.
21 Pilots.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
21 Pilots and 21 Savage need to do something together.
Yo.
Yeah. Wow.
Yo.
Streets need that. So when 21 Pilots like, what?
21 Savage would just look at them like. It'd be featuring 21 Savage glaring. It wouldn't even, no vocals, just him like, y'all really rap like that? 21 Pilots guys
Also,
like,
shout out
yo,
to-
I was growing up and I had a crayon box. Yo, I was in shocks, Nike shocks. Yo. Yeah. Yeah.
My
Yo,
biggest regret is not
teenage angst.
being a teenager going through a divorce in the early 2000s.
Yo, man.
Because the music was so fire.
So fire.
Like,
So
I just want to
fire.
run up a room like, you're not my real pops.
You're not my real
and slam the
dad.
door and just play Mad Linkin Park.
Slam and just be like, I
I
fought
tried
so
so
hard,
hard, I tried so hard. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Mom, get me Clearasil.
Wiki. The one
I got
DJ
mad
dude going
fucking
mad hard.
pimples and shit.
He's like, Mom, bring my fucking pizza rolls and my Stridex.
Oh, man. Fuck this, bro.
Fucking cunt. If you listen to Stain, you definitely called your mom a cunt.
It's been a while. She's like, Tyler, it's time. Shut the fuck
Shut up, you
bitch.
fucking bitch, cunt. Play Call of Duty.
Ask Jeeves, how do I shoot up a school? Dad, where's your guns?
Dad, where's your fucking guns? You fucking bitch. You little fucking pussy. I know you got guns, Dad, you fucking little fucking
if
jerk.
your kid calls you pussy, they're gonna shoot up a school. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
That's just how it works.
Facts. If
Okay.
facts, bro. If your son come up to your face and calls you pussy and a little spit flex fly in your face,
Imagine
he's
you at
clapping
work
you.
and they're like, can I talk to Mr. Martinez?
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's going on?
Yeah, your son just used an AR-15 to kill 22 people, so I need you to come to Woodside Elementary School. And
Oh shit.
yeah.
21?
21.
Hey, 21.
Turn up.
Hey. He called his chopper KKK.
Wow!
Yo, listen, I'm just reporting the lyrics over here. He really said that shit. As the hook.
I know it is.
Not a throwaway line. That was the hook.
Well, you're wrong.
Oh my God! Wow! You sir, are a monster.
I heard that shit and I was like, wow, he really went there.
You are a monster, like
bruh. He got a couple joints and I'm like, woo, damn, bruh.
Listen,
Just a bit outside.
I would like to disavow this podcast and any of the comments made on it. These are not the comments expressed by Showtime.
Today we're going to make music.
Bodega
Happy
Boys.
music and sad.
Nah, fuck that. It is. That's what we do. That's what we do.
You hit him with the mind control me like.
Listen, that's what we're doing. Like, you got the whole crowd in Austin do the wave. If you next time use your powers and be like, everyone send us $1.
Yo, lit. I used to think like
Let's
that too.
start
Like, yo, if everyone,
Grifton is back, baby.
I'm like, yo, fam, if all your remember those days when you thought all your followers were like actual people?
No.
I
know how social media works, but continue.
like 2008. And I was like, yo, if all you had $75, I'll be rich.
Some girl on my timeline was like, yo, if everyone that viewed my story came out to my events, I'd have over 50,000 people at my events. I was
Sorry, ma, I started OnlyFans.
I'm like, ma'am, maybe we viewed your story and that's why we're not at your event. Like,
yeah.
maybe I don't want to hear about empowerment while drinking Douce.
I want to get drunk and be woke. Drunk and woke are like don't go together
At all, but it's fun.
It's fun.
So you can
You know what
swag
I'm saying?
surf.
Shout out to Afropunk.
You gonna stop with this Afropunk slander? Because you've never been, and you just talk reckless about Afropunk.
I've been to Afropunk. I went 2 years in a row. I went 2010, 2011.
And who'd you see perform?
TV on the radio.
Wrong.
The other Block Party. What are the band? Bad Brains. Usher.
This nigga lying, Your Honor. Because I was at the one with TV on the radio. It was a very emotional experience for me. Okay, when they did Wolf Like Me, I cried. Okay,
Shout out to TV on the radio.
don't you ever disrespect TVONR.
TVOTR.
I love some TV on the radio.
Shout out
That's
to
how I know I'm washed, because I once went to this girl drag. She was like, "Come, you gotta come to Williamsburg. There's like we're friends performing in like a warehouse." And I was like, "Oh, Jesus. The things you do to get the cheeks."
Yeah.
And it was like TV on the radio, the yeahs. And who was the third one? It was
Probably like the Strokes.
no, it was
That's the
TV on the
same
radio, yeah.
era.
I forgot who it was,
Interpol?
but there was like they turned out to be really big bands. By the time I was like, this
He
shit is
said,
whack.
Yeah, he said Interpol, nigga. Stella.
I was like, this shit is whack. All I got is PBR.
You drinking that PBR, you just hear, oh, Stella.
And I was like, wait, the PBRs were like, those metal, those wash basins you have like in DR or Jamaica?
Yeah.
So that's what the PBRs were in. So I was like, I could just take this shit. And it was like so early in the redevelopment of Williamsburg. The only thing in Williamsburg was a pizza shop by Bedford Avenue Station.
Yep.
And I remember sitting there and I paid $7 for a slice. I was like, this is some bullshit. It's take me 2 hours
tell
to
you.
get back to the Bronx, and I ain't even hit.
Same shorty that had me going out to Staten Island for the church had me going out to North 7th and Wife for the church.
And
from the
we only
Bronx.
get these references because we worked at Vice and we know the area. But otherwise, listen, it's
dog,
a no man.
it's a
Your ways
journey.
be like, yo, I'm gonna just drop you off over here by this tattoo parlor.
My waist
There's
is
5 tattoo parlors, but you'll figure it out.
my waist is like, oh, you trying to cop dope? Like, what are you going there for?
I'm sorry, are you going to set my car on fire? When you get down
Sir,
there?
are you going to sleep at the sugar factory? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh man,
I'm gonna pull you in close, gonna knock you up tight. I don't even know that dude's name. What's the lead singer of Interpol's name? It better be super fucking fancy.
lead singer Interpol.
If his name
Paul
is not like
Banks.
Paul Banks,
Paul Banks.
that sounds like a first baseman.
He overdosed in 2016.
Oh, he died?
Yeah.
Oh,
Rest in peace.
shit. Damn.
Yeah, he was going hard.
Yo, that's crazy.
Yeah, he didn't.
Oh, no, he didn't?
He's still alive.
Shout out to him.
I just like to kill people.
Yeah. He's
You know what?
he's not
Every-
dead.
To be fair, every now and then we need a musician to OD.
Yo.
This is a problematic statement, and I'm saying this. But
So you put that on James Banks?
Lloyd
Banks?
how much better is people's music after they die?
Oh,
though?
it's mad much better.
Listen, recipes Nipsey Hussle.
You know what I'm saying? It
The
just
shit
slaps
is,
extra.
The shit is like classic material
Oh,
now.
man.
And the people who were not checking for the shit before, check for the shit now.
Super checking for it now.
So we need like an R&B singer to like kill themselves. So Mario, we're looking at you.
Yo, Sammy,
Sammy.
haven't made some noise in a while, my pal.
Mm-hmm.
How about B2K?
Oh, Marion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Touch.
You know what I'm saying?
Just a touch of that sweet lady H.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Get
OD right there.
Touch of a hot bag. You know what I'm saying?
Who's a rapper
And
that
Lil Bobby.
we could stand to die and people be sad, but not really sad because he died? Like if Drake died right now, like it'd be too much. People wouldn't.
Yeah,
know
it'd be
that,
a lot.
but
It'd be a lot.
sad.
Yeah.
What about
Girls would be like, "What are we gonna?" Our Instagram captions.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
Make memories, not enemies.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
By the way, that shit they dropped with Rick Ross, is fucking.
It's not. It's mid.
That shit
It's
slaps.
mid.
That shit
Quentin
slaps.
ain't got the pen no more.
Yeah, nah, that shit goes. I was listening to that shit last night, crying,
You
like
can't
smoking
listen.
weed.
You can't listen to
and,
Drake
like,
the same anymore.
and counting my.
I'm sorry.
like, checking account balance.
You can't listen to Drake the same anymore because Pusha T like popped the balloon he was in. Like Drake had a song called Free Smoke called I will bring beef to anybody. Pusha T was like, you're hiding a kid, and Drake was like, yo, here's my Degrassi reunion. It's not the same. It's not the same.
I wonder if he actually gives a shit though.
It's not if
gotta
he gives
get
a
in
shit,
his
but
head,
as a
like, yo.
listener, you have to give a shit.
I mean,
Because if you think about it, Drake and Rick Ross on one track, that's like kind of fraudulent.
It's a fraud. It's a fraud. It's a fraud.
You know, like, it don't hit the same. I only say that because as someone who's actually done stuff that they rap about doing, I'm like, oh, you didn't really do that.
oh yeah, no,
Yeah,
same.
so,
but
you
like,
know.
I watch it like I watch Viggo Mortensen fucking play in Italian. I'm like, you're not Italian. Your name is Viggo Mortensen.
I don't even know who that is. So
Yeah, there you
I
go.
believe was that the guy from Green Book,
Yes.
the driver? Yeah, we need a daily sitcom based off Green Book on
Yo,
CBS.
Facts.
He's just covering black shit.
Yo, he's an Uber driver, but he only drives black people.
Green Uber.
Green Uber. Yeah, let's
like,
get
whoa.
it. Yo, you know what I'm saying? They did stupid, nigga. Why not?
It's
you know
like,
what I'm
whoa,
saying?
125th Street. That's my third time going there today.
Hey,
So what is this Sylvia's? Just like a dress store?
what's going on here?
So,
So let me get this right. You came all the way down here to buy oils.
that's wild.
What kind of oils? Like olive oil? Like you're gonna make a
whoa,
little,
what are those little sticks?
A little eggplant palm?
Wait. So you burn them and then they change the smell of your apartment? And they're called incest?
Whoa,
Oh,
hey,
I'm not signing up for that. This ain't
look.
this ain't south of the Appalachians.
Hey, listen, look, Samantha's pretty hot, but you know,
I'm not dealing my sister. Come on.
come on, give me a break.
Oh,
here.
incense. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
all right,
Okay.
okay, all right. Thank you.
And you call this a bean pie, is it?
Oh,
Okay.
pie made out of beans.
All
That
right. Yeah,
all right.
I'll give it a shot.
You look like a smart guy. You got a bow tie on. All right.
Sounds
Oh,
good.
all right. All right.
So whoa. You're blowing my mind. So wait, it's a Taco Bell, a KFC, and a Dunkin' Donuts in one location?
And you can get heroin there.
That's wow.
What the fuck is
Wow,
Where have I
2019
been?
is wild.
I've been living under a rock since the 60s.
Number one show in late night. That's like the number one show on CBS, like after Young Sheldon. It's Quantum Leap, but it's just him.
Gruber.
So he's just like, I guess he's like a taxi driver in just different times.
Quantum Leap.
The CBS exec's like, this doesn't make any sense. I was like, whatever happened with that whole like sexual harassment thing with Les Move It? And they're like, oh, you know what? Yeah, there you go.
Nothing.
Hi, I'm Julie Chen. My husband was terrible. But first, let's talk about Big Brother.
Yo. Niggas take you in a room like, yo, just a quick meeting with you guys. Just want to talk about, talking about CBS executives and stuff like that. You know, just.
Oh yeah, that's probably gonna get cut, right?
But
wow.
look, just look over there. Just look at the thing on the wall right there. Yeah, just keep looking.
What's that?
Don't look back.
What's that? Yeah. I forgot. We're kind of on CBS, right?
Kind of on
CBS. All right. I keep one eye open like CBS. You see me stressed, ma.
Can I live?
Can I live?
That's right. I'm so
man.
grateful. so grateful for climbing. It allowed me to dive off a yacht in Greece.
Yo, please calm down.
That's right.
Oh, wow. It's Jay-Z on the subway.
Oh my God, all these people.
Where's the train?
Oh no, I have agoraphobia. B.
MCA, where you at? The countdown clock's at 12 minutes, but it's been 15. I don't know if I can trust it.
Come on.
It's weekend construction. Why do I go on a bus to take a train to a bus?
Why?
This doesn't make any
Come
sense.
on, man. The word shuttle implies, swiftness. You know what I'm saying? The shuttle bus is very slow.
If I'm coming from Queens, I'm going to Brooklyn. Why do I have to go to Manhattan? That doesn't make any sense.
Why?
Who laid out this tracks? They don't make any sense. Shout out to Just Blaze, who lays out the tracks that make the sense. Yo, turn my headphones up.
Whoa.
Guru, turn up the flutes.
Whoa, let the beat breathe.
No.
That's right.
Let my car breathe. Someone open the window. The AC's not working. There's a homeless person in here.
The pilot count is very high. Make sure you run your AC with your windows open before. You know what I'm saying? If they've been dormant for over a month.
Yo, I'm Jay-Z. I've been billionaire, but yo, your boy's kind of low on the Metro card, so can I get a swipe?
Yo, what's good?
Yo, Memphis, hold me down. You can swipe in after 18 minutes.
Yo, guess what? I didn't age out of hot lunch yet. In the summertime, we lit. Let's get it.
Yo, shout out to every kid getting a hot lunch.
Yo, straight up.
When I stop and think about hot lunch, that shit was a disgusting program. I used to race other kids to see how quickly I could drink milk.
Oof.
The fuck was I going through?
That's like a Jackass fucking skit, whatever the fuck they used to do.
And I remember like there was on the way to school, there was like this Jamaican guy, and he was always like, "Yo, don't walk on my lawn." Like he said, very lightly and politely. Every day we would stomp on his lawn while yelling, "We're stomping on your lawn! We're stomping on your lawn!"
Oh no!
We little badass kids. If he had just put out the cow and shot one of us,
he wouldn't have been wrong.
He would have been wrong.
He told you very nicely.
Also, it started like I would just take myself and my sister and like the two kids at the end of the block. By the end of the summer, it was like 30 kids. It looked like I was a camp counselor.
Yo, niggas in a frat,
Like,
like,
niggas
just stomping the yard for real. Like, yo,
like, yo.
yo,
Do it for Little Bear.
niggas got matching t-shirts on with names on the back and shit.
Oh man,
Like Big Sugar Dick. Like, why is that your frat name, bro?
Oh, because Dick is sweet.
Sweet.
Nigga lick fake pussy. Like,
Here
we go.
Man, you're doing a lot. Like, you guys are doing a lot.
I remember I was in Detroit when I worked at my terrible small business reporter job. It was like some sort of after party. And I went in there and everyone had on red. And I was like, oh, shit, it's some Damu shit.
Yeah,
oh, shit.
Blood Gang.
Nah, it was like some frat shit.
Yeah.
And niggas pushed the girls off the dance floor to dance in their circle. And I was like, y'all doing it wrong.
You hustling backwards.
Robert Townsend was there.
You hustling backwards. You super hustling backwards.
And I was like, cool.
All right, cool.
All right, cool.
Shout out to you for making Meteor Man.
And I was like, all right. But like women were losing their mind because he was there.
Yo.
I've been in situations where I've seen people lose their mind for celebrities you should not lose your mind for.
Yo, y'all remember the Tommy Hilfiger shit where Chris Tucker danced to Remember the Time?
Yes.
Low-key, that was impressive, but it was just like everybody was like, oh my God!
Yeah,
I was like,
that was wild.
He's not actually Michael Jackson, guys.
When I worked at Essence Fest and like young women were losing their shit for Judge Mathis.
Oh my God.
I was like, what the fuck? Like this girl was like 15. She was like, oh my, like she was holding her pussy. She was like, he's so sexy. I was like,
oh,
first of all, he used to smoke crack.
Yo, bang that devil on me, Judge.
Listen, this is judgmental. But once you smoke crack,
judgmental.
Once you smoke crack, you a crack smoker.
Oh yeah.
You can turn your life around, but you've always been known as a crack smoker.
You find something after you smoke Krills. You find God. You find like inner peace. Whatever.
But you're always a Krill smoker.
But you
if the My Pillow guy showed up right now, I wouldn't be like, yo, you're rich. I'd be like,
nigga, you smoke
I'd be
crack.
like, yo, get away from my bag.
The first thing he did was start a company. And smoke crack!
This nigga smokes crack! This nigga smokes Krills! You gotta say that at a dinner table?
Yo.
He's like, yeah, I'm the creator of My Pillow. And the creator of crack!
The creator of Julio's apartment.
You hear like this nigga sparking up in the bathroom, you kick open the door, he's just trying to light a match after his shit. I'm like, oh, sorry, bro.
Oh, my bad.
I thought you were smoking crack!
Again.
Fucking crackhead. It's one thing to call someone a crackhead. It's another thing to call someone a crackhead when you know they are actually a crackhead.
And the wild shit is that he's like proud of it. Like
he overcame because he has mad money.
Oh yeah.
But I think He didn't overcome it. I think if he didn't have money, he would still be smoking crows.
He'd still be smoking crows.
He'd be like, yo,
come on, man.
You want my pillow, aka my mouth?
Yeah. I got my pillows and I got mouth pillows.
For the best night's sleep in the whole wide world. Put that shit in my mouth.
Yo, nigga suck you to sleep, nigga. Oh no. Bro, you wake up the next day like, yo, I'm copping 5 of these.
That's the new motto. I suck you to sleep, nigga.
Suck you to sleep, nigga. No.
There's no way you can say that non-aggressively. No. That's definitely like a freestyle lyric.
Imagine your girl just leaning in your ear like, yo, I'll suck you to sleep, nigga. You're like,
yo, shout out to my shorty be from the Bronx.
Isn't that a Chris Brown song? I'll suck you back to sleep, girl.
I think the word was slap, but
oh no. No!
You know what the thing is? Like, all our problematic statements are just facts.
Just facts.
So, you mad at history?
Yo, facts, bro.
Also, if your girl goes like, "I'm gonna suck you to sleep, nigga," she's definitely from the Bronx. She about to put on some mad loaded Lux or some
hell
shit.
Yeah.
She's like, "Yo, what's up?
Yo, you ever got your dick sucked to hell, rel?
Yo, yo, throw on that Conway, nigga.
Word.
So on that real hip hop,
that real shit, that gutted shit." You getting his dick sucked to the locks?
Oh shit! Your girl just come in like one, like yo, some. Your girl just come in like looking mad scruffy and shit.
Like, yo.
She got fucking lingerie made out of JanSport.
Yo, what's up? Instead of a robot to Pele, she just lets it down mad slowly and shit.
Like, yo,
music come on.
Like, what's up, nigga? It's our anniversary.
Yo. Oh shit.
What's up,
yo. Still climbing on that dick, nigga. What? Yo, she freestyle when she riding dick. Like, yo, check it, yo. I'm riding this dick, what hard? Yo, what? Yo, niggas is ball garbage.
I ride this dick while he cracks my shit.
What? Yo, nigga, what?
I'm mad thick, just chatting, yo. Number 1 TSA agent. Yo, you got my pussy wild blazing. That's my baby daddy. Got the fatty. Smoking this wild herbo on their addy. Yo,
he got the handy dick.
Throw it up for Queensbridge, free the homies. Yo, I don't care what they did. Free 80 block, free 40 block. Yo, it's my baby, he got a 40 Glock. Oh shit, I'm busting, nigga. Oh shit, I'm coming, nigga.
Yo, about to
oh
bust,
shit,
yo,
nigga. Oh shit.
Yo, about to bust.
Ass that shit on my pussy, nigga.
Yo, word.
Oh,
Yo,
shit, nigga. Oh,
yo, ma, you killed that shit.
Yo, fuck, nigga.
Yo, you killed that shit, man. Word.
What's up? What's up?
You did that.
Yo, free the home.
Yo, word, gang shit. You know what I'm saying? Word up.
Yo, you cracked my shit, nigga.
Yo, word. You did that, man. I respect
That's
you.
what's up. Yo, put a nutcracker on my lower back.
You know what I'm saying? Butt chuck a nutcracker. That's our summer challenge.
This is all in front of their kids in the living room and shit.
They watching mad inappropriate shit. They watching Empire and shit. Like, yo.
Niggas watching Faces of Death.
They watching straight Pino. Like, yo, we found a DVD.
Mom and Dad doing the Pino. I'm like, yo, don't call me Dad. Call me number 1 MC out of the Riverside.
That's
nigga.
right,
You know what I'm
motherfucker. Drop a bomb on his dick.
Yo, call me MC Xanax. You know what that shit is? The man spoken.
Yeah.
You know what it is.
Yo.
Oh,
shit. Goddamn.
Nigga driver bus just got the shit island outside the house. There's still passengers on that shit.
Yo, nigga smashing a little badge, slapping up and down and shit. Like,
they get back on the bus, like he's like fixing his pants and shit.
Yo, they got the shorts on with the high socks and shit.
Did you park just to go smash? Yeah, and I blew that shit up.
Yeah,
nigga.
it was popping. Yeah.
Next stop, Queens Boulevard.
Yo, we going express.
If you in a wheelchair, fuck you. I'm not going all the way back there to help you. Fuck that.
Fuck that shit, nigga. Figure it out. Niggas feeling mad benevolent. He just takes a transfer and puts it in the transfer.
Nigga, I'm gonna tilt the bus. You just roll out.
Shout out to the kneeling buses. You know what I'm saying?
Almost says I though. Shout out to the kid in Austin in the wheelchair who was like, "Thank you for having a wheelchair accessible venue."
Yeah.
So,
you know what I'm saying?
Which makes me think, have the other ones haven't been? But Victor said they're mad old, so they have to be ADA compliant. So, you know, it's like, I don't know.
Listen,
but we will try in the future to
to make sure that all our
venues are ADA compliant.
Yes.
Because why not?
And LED certified also.
I don't know about all that. Fuck that. Fuck the planet. You know what? I see kids, I get mad.
Fuck the planet.
I'm like, yo, so like what? So like I'm gonna die and you're gonna continue living?
Broad gripe.
Like, fuck that. When I die, I want this show to end. That's how I feel about life. The idea that like I see little kids and I'm like, yo, I'll be dead. He's gonna like have like the love of his life. Maybe invent something, change the world. Fuck that. When I'm out, everyone dies. Everyone comes with me.
It's like, yo,
I'm Thanos.
Y'all gone.
I'm Thanos, but just for New York City, so I'm gonna snap my fingers and like make half of the New York City Metro cars not work.
I'm low key.
Just like have mad chaos.
Like, yo, what's happening?
This is what I planned. There's mad chaos. People like fighting through. My card works. My card works. There's a whole new society that the people with Metro cards and the people who don't have Metro cards.
Yo.
It only lasts for one day because everyone like recharges their card. But for one day, it's glorious.
That sounds like the wild scheme that like the Joker would do in a Batman movie, or like Die Hard Part 12.
I make all the uptown trains go downtown. Like the downtown trains go uptown. I'm from New York 1, and we are in 241st Street, and I was supposed to be in Bay Ridge.
I don't know what's going on here.
Dogs are marrying cats. This is what liberals wanted.
The Joker's at it again.
The Joker just seems annoying.
Yeah.
Like, the Joker doesn't seem like he does terrorist shit. He just does, like, annoying shit.
Yeah.
Like
he just come up and dump a bucket of water on you.
He, like, you be at line for Shake Shack. He's like, I replaced all the meat with silly putty. Like, I get 40 minutes for my lunch break, nigga.
Come on,
like,
dog.
Come on, man. I got to explain this to my boss. I'm so hungry.
I don't want a fucking Impossible Burger, nigga.
Tired of this nigga.
Oh, man. This nigga's a corn. You fucking... Yo, dog. Are you serious? Oh, yo, you got a big ass hammer. Oh, shit, yo.
Everyone's going home, but this 6 train is filled with laughing gas. Like, oh, fuck.
Come on, man.
Niggas in the 6 train not even laughing, like...
You just see him get on the train, and you're like, oh, there you go, this
Here
nigga.
you go.
Oh,
He goes to, like, the Showtime people.
Yeah, like, oh, man, this nigga
Here you go, this clown.
This fucking bozo, man. Oh, you got the boxing glove on the spring? Wow, haven't seen that before.
Boop.
Oh.
Guess who poisoned the water supply? Niggas like, damn,
Oh,
he's got mad Aquafina going to work and shit.
Man, this is
Poison the water again, bro.
Fuck, bro.
Tired of this
And
shit.
it's not even real poison. It's just that giggle shit that makes you giggle.
Throwing the
Fuck,
back of
bro.
trains like, well, if you wouldn't allow them to throw water on Batman, this wouldn't have happened. Bruce Wayne just sitting in his mansion like, they disrespected me. My parents died. I don't have to do this.
Yo, go back to what you said before though about like, yo, when I die with the shit to end, I'm like, damn, low key, I'm like jealous now. I'm like, yo,
Yeah.
when I die, like my kids are gonna be getting the dick
They're
sucked
gonna
and
have
shit.
like mad life and shit. You don't want that shit.
I'm
Fuck
like,
that.
damn, bro, you niggas gonna
You
be.
want to be 8? I want to be a burden. I want niggas to know I'm here and be like, fuck. We
Yo.
gotta bring grandpa date. Like, damn, niggas gotta get a special van for me and shit.
Damn.
Niggas go to the beach, I gotta bring a special tent and make sure I don't get too high.
it's cool
Every
to-
5
yeah.
minutes. You okay, abuelo?
Yo, you good?
You good?
You need water?
You all right? I'm like,
Nah, the water can't be too cold. No ice in the water.
No.
Yeah.
Turn that song off. It gives him flashbacks to what Taylor Swift and attacked his comments. It was bad.
I was like, I dare you niggas to put me in assisted living. I'm telling my kids that shit from jump. Like, I dare you niggas to put me in a retirement home. I'll come and fuck you up.
Not even Kings Harbor.
At
In Pelham Gardens, your Bronx neighbor that cares for you. Hi, did your fucking abuela fall and crack her shit? Do you need an assisted living house for that dumb bitch? Yo, throw her in Pelham Gardens.
Yo.
I guarantee you, she'd never call you again because the reception in here is
It's
OD bad.
trash.
All right.
And I know the nigga that works in the front desk,
Yo,
and he
you
don't
running
give
an
a fuck.
insurance scam, and you just gotta have like some paperwork that says you went for like a hip check. We got you.
Got
bruh.
you, B. Oh, yo, you want us to paint bed sores on your titi?
No, I think
we
it's
got
like
you.
this. I feel like people are getting older, so there's gonna have to be like a W hotel for assisted living, and that's where we come in. Bodega Boys assisted living,
Ooh.
and we make it sexy.
The
The thing
shit.
is, because like people are old, that doesn't mean you're dead. So we gotta make it like you can still be like the wild thought in the assisted living shit.
Like that show, like the fucking Passion Hotel, whatever the fuck the shit is called. It's like some weird reality show where you gotta fuck or they kick you off the island.
Okay, I don't know about all that.
You know what I'm saying?
But like, no.
But it's like, yo, old people, y'all gotta fuck.
It's kind of like that, but like all the exercises are like sexual. Like we have them in the pool
Yeah.
doing like the wild
The
circles
Zumba classes and shit, naked Zumba. Yeah,
We
naked
got all that
Peloton.
shit. Like we have
Just
big-
big naked everything. Naked
naked
bingo.
everything.
Naked
But
medicine night.
we still doing butt shots and shit.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Just because you incontinent doesn't mean you can't be a bad bitch.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
And also, if you get butt shots, it takes mad long for the dookie to come out. So if you are incontinent,
There you go.
that's why helpful.
Also, you like eating butt? Like, yo, You like bacon bits?
Yeah, a little extra something in there.
This nigga eat a Caesar salad.
I love me some garlic and herb croutons, nigga. It's dingleberry season. They're ripe.
He's like, let me slide that diaper off you, mom.
Yo, come on. You know I depend on that ass. You know what I'm saying?
You remind me of my third husband. He died in the Gulf War. Go visit your aunt and your uncle in the fucking assisted living.
Yo,
and regardless of their gender, shave their chin.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Word.
Wow.
Facts. Yo, pluck Titi's hair, yo.
She having that.
She got that one.
She got
long
the El
joint.
DeBarge beard.
Yo, come on.
You don't her out there looking.
Yo,
like,
come on. You don't want her out there looking
like
wild.
Save the Last Dance for me. Oh baby. So you don't want your kids putting you in assisted living?
Nah,
you
they
gotta
not
live
doing
with
that
them?
shit. Yeah, nah, I'm living with you.
I like that.
West Indian flow. Like, yo, I'm staying here, motherfucker.
What if, like many episodes of Law and Order, you no longer are able to talk and they're beating you?
I'll take. That's cool. I'll take it.
And it turns out the maid has been having sex with you?
I'll take it.
Okay.
I'll take it. By that time, I feel like motherfuckers will be so entrenched in Hollywood that that's the only way I'll be able to orgasm anyway. Is if I'm getting beat by like my home attendant. You know what I'm saying? So I'm cool with that.
I mean, we were already on the way there till they shut down Backpage. But, you know.
Wow.
Just a reminder, Kamala Harris shut down Backpage.
Yeah, she made it happen.
Okay? Throwing that out there. To the cops,
Robert is disgusted. Rob is disgusted.
All right? How dare she?
He's like, these fucking... I can't even find a good candy anymore.
Good handy.
It's 50 roses, man.
How come they have Angie's List, but you can't have Craigslist?
That's right.
What was it called? Casual encounters?
Yeah.
See, you can't get mad. You be like, someone's like, yo, you cheated on me. Like, it was a casual encounter.
encounter.
Like,
Come on.
you know what I'm saying?
It was just cash.
Like, that's like one step below a misconnection. Like,
yo, come on.
Misconnection with this dick.
It wasn't a black tie encounter, nigga. It was casual.
It was casual. It's like when you order Uber, it's like black tie encounter, casual encounter. Just nasty.
Counter pool. You just pull up and just mad people fucking like.
I was like, get in.
Get in.
They
Jump
just start
in.
stroking it like, so you come here. Shh, don't talk to me in the counter pool.
Oh, you hear just mad slapping the mac and cheese and shit.
Niggas pull up and they like, we waiting for someone to get in. Like, we waiting for you to finish. Like, oh shit. Go around the block again.
We gonna be here for a while. I drank Mad Henny. And I did coke. My dick is hard and soft at the same time. I can't understand.
Little girl meme from the taco commercial.
Like, why not both?
They just on the shoulders.
Yeah, just push him rope. You'll be all right.
He's pushing that rope.
Niggas holding your dick at 10 and 2 and shit. Like, you know?
What was the name of those things in Fraggle Rock that they used to eat the scaffolding?
The dozers?
The dozers gotta build a scaffold around your dick. Down to
Deuces.
Fraggle Rock. Down to Fraggle Rock. Come and spend a day. I got cock for every day.
Down to Fraggle Cock.
Michael Anthony, are you letting those little drilling things around your dick again?
Yeah, that's right, Mom. That's right. Holding your demands and I keep it up while I give him a handy for this bag.
Who were the enemies of Fraggle Rock? Was it like gentrification? Was that
It was real estate developers. It was just motherfuckers coming into Fraggle Rock like, this is a hot up-and-coming neighborhood.
Oh, my God.
Fraggle Rock.
Oh, Fraggle
we got to
Rock.
change the name. Let's call it Fraggle Heights.
Fraggle.
Fraggle.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
You know, there's only like 4 apartments left in New York City?
Yeah.
I was looking at it.
Yeah, they're all owned by Russian oligarchs.
Yeah.
And people from China.
How come no one ever had like a rap group named Oligarch?
True.
Yeah.
And it seems like a 90s thing. I feel like that ship has sailed.
Actually, Jay-Z, he's lately in raps, he mentioned that he hangs with oligarchs, and he also was like, I bank at Deutsche Bank, and it's just like, both of those are under investigation. So
Yeah.
imagine Jay-Z and Beyonce go to jail for collusion with Donald
Trump? Oh, my God.
We got to break them out?
Yo.
We got to bring out Beyonce.
Yeah.
Sorry, yo. You can't just take my wife. You gotta break me out too.
That's right. You gotta bring me too, yo.
Come on, we're a group.
Come on,
What's
stop.
What's better than one billionaire? Two.
That's right. It's me. So I'm out
Soph.
here. Yo, come on, help. It's minimum security.
Come on, it's the minimum.
I just gotta hop the fence. My calf muscles are strained.
I skipped leg day.
Every day.
I just realized we're never gonna get invited to that Rockefeller brunch.
Nah, I think we're good because Jake can take it. I feel like Jake can take
Pecker's
it.
got us.
Yeah, Pecker's got us. And
What are you gonna wear? We gotta wear the wild dickhead outfit.
Yeah, and you gotta wear the hat with the.
I'm gonna wear a
planner.
Rasheem of
Rasheem Wallace throwback.
No, any Rasheem R&B singer from the early 2000s.
Ooh,
just like a crotcheted white kufi, some flowing linen garments,
yeah,
and foam posits.
Yeah, the foams
Let
on
people
decky.
know. Oh shit, Gary Coleman died.
Yeah, nigga. I was like, what? Nigga, I was like, that nigga Humpty Dumpty himself mad long ago.
He said Humpty Dumpty.
That's exactly what happened. Your man cracked his fucking cabeza open and shit. It was a wrap.
I mean,
and Shorty just, yo, not for nothing, I would have been mad at Shorty because she just was like, yo, he fell, he cracked his shit. And then she was just like watching him. And then she called 911. She's like, yo, you good? Like, fam, no, he got all types of shit coming out his fucking head, God.
Maybe she was waiting for him to be like, what you talking about, Willis? They're like, this nigga dead.
Episode 166.
You know what it is? It's been the Bodega Boys live from Jamrock. Are we problematic?
To me, Jamrock.
Are we problematic? Perhaps. Are we entertaining? You motherfucking know it. You know what that shit is, right? It's been your boy Desus, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pockets Fat like Tyrio, aka Pocket Face Fat like Woo. Here we go.
Yeah.
Somebody that might know you, bitch. Young Dead Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando Dorado, Mero Vicenta, 94, Raquel going off the Juve, boss, MC Google, put up for 40 with your shorty, aka don't talk to me in the Upo, because I don't know you, motherfucker. Motherfucker. That little kid was like, I don't know you, motherfucker. That's a great song, though.
Yeah.
I don't know you, motherfucker. You stupid ass nigga. You not my stepdaddy. I was like, well, this song was popular in Atlanta.
God damn.
All right.
That baby don't look like me.
The original my +1 got +1, so you know what?
Don't make it. Don't.
Act like it's a regular
Just
occurrence.
Don't
make it +1. Just
do not.
let me and my 5 +1s walk in.
Just.
Okay.
They don't have names. They're just pluses.
All right.
Okay.
These is Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pablo, Goes Mufasa, Dem Chakuni without the culinary, aka Chili Mo, left-handed reliever for the Yankees.
Yeah.
Gay, low, gay.
Papi, we winning. We lost today. We win today.
I am on the Yankees, and I believe in Israel being a sovereign state.
It's
and I stand
okay.
with Trump.
That's
It's okay.
fine.
I have rings. What you
It's
gonna do? You
okay.
can't
What
take
you
them away.
gonna
Just like my
do?
dick.
Suck my
3
dick.
Phone Joe, Jesus Sick Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cups, Demon Dr. Brown's label, Dilute.
Yeah.
Dilute.
Yeah.
Do you know how to trap you, Mr. Chukwoi Pika out my Pinot Blurry? DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Wash FM. Up next for all my Atlanta niggas.
Oh shit.
You know what I'm saying? You know what? YouTube shows you a lot of ads for shit you're not gonna buy. What is Google Fi? What is that?
I'm never gonna use that. I'm never gonna use
shit.
Grammarly. Oh.
You know what it is? You know the vibes.
So doing the chicken head, y'all.
Little Pastor Troy.
Woo.
Are we cutting? Featuring Timberland, Miss Jade, and
Miss Jade. God damn.
Friday night.
Was that E40?
No, that was a
Jazzy Fizzle?
that was Timberland.
Oh, that was Timberland
Who made
himself?
the beat. Timberland on the track. That was before he got fat. The
Yeah,
Curry Goat.
that's what I was about to say. I was like, he fluctuated too much.
Jesus Christ.
He's like me.
Jamal Hasbro, the Bronx City Dion. Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno.
You cannot.
You can put me in a quarter-ounce box. You can put me in a liter box. You can put me in a chamber pot.
Nah.
Coming out. I'm
You
coming
know what I'm saying?
out.
He wants the
coming.
world to know.
It's a great song.
It is.
Do you remember Word to Ja? Young Aaron. Oxo. Young Nowhere. The Racing Provocateur, Hedwig Budcoast, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Bluefield, Demon Werther's melting in your towel, Mouth, Mr. Bex on Ricky Squad B, Greg Popovich, more Sage Chestnut, Muhammad Gambi, not Magaby, but I got your cucumber, the juice that press, but your boy never is.
God
I am
damn.
the art, damn it, Don Dada Ganoush.
To this day.
No, a cup of noodles because you know what? They have a lot of sodium, and you know what? 60% of my daily amount of sodium is a lot.
That's a lot. It's a lot.
That's getting into Big Mama your foot.
That's right.
Like,
yeah,
I don't want to lose her.
It's a problem in our community.
It is.
Hypertension.
They taste great though.
Oh, it's so good. So good.
Also, ramen. And
it has a mad cute name like Maruchan. That sounds like a Pokemon.
I was like, yo, ramen. I was like, oh, it's the juice. No, ramen noodles in of themselves are very bad for you.
Oh yeah,
yeah. But
yeah. Even if you go to the fancy shit and you gotta wait in line, it's still very terrible for you.
Yeah. I saw there was like a cup of ramen. Just pour hot water into it. It was at Whole Foods. It's 70% of your daily supply of sodium.
God.
I was like, at that point, just pour salt right in my mouth.
Yeah,
like,
fam.
Fuck that. Just rub my dick in salt.
Yeah.
Rub my dick in rock salt. Make it bloody. Make it hurt.
Yeah. The shit that you
not
use
saying
to
that's
melt
what I
ice and
do
shit?
at that pile in Harlem of the rock salt.
Oh, yeah, no.
But sometimes, to pleasure myself.
No, we don't
do that.
I totally believe that.
And then I put rubbing alcohol over myself. And I write in lipstick on the mirror, I'm the white man's whore. All right, the Prince of Peckham. The fashion over, cash over. We raise 10 5 cents, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change, give me.
What you want?
Big money wine. I would also add that Venmo is anti-black because they're trying to replace this song, which is a song made by immigrants about coins and change.
Yep.
So don't fuck with any of that digital shit. You see,
Cash App
they're
only,
trying to
bro.
replace our cultures. Cash App only.
Gang.
Cash Up, sure, why not? The only after my salute is Dipset. Mr. Tiger, catch me at square one top left because man's is Marv.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Quality's leaving, but I have healthcare, so it balances out.
Oh.
Churros, though, holy cow, catch me at the money store. You know what it is. Back then, when the Yankees were good and you could smoke at third base.
That's right.
Mr. Softball,
That's
so all I
right.
do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ. You could straight up do a line of coke on second base.
Yeah, I used to smoke
shit.
Newport 100 with Razor Shines at third base.
Dominicans used to drive a Toyota Camry from home to first.
That was the dugout. The bullpen car was a fucking Lincoln Town car, driven by Bartolo Colon
They
himself.
was like doing Tokyo Drift around the bases and shit. Oh,
Yeah.
Miss Soft Punk, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. That
Yeah.
sounds nasty. When I turn my MacBook over at the Apple store, but you know what? Just get the alcohol wipe. You'll be fine.
Yeah, you be good.
We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Hey, maybe we want to replace this baking powder. This fruit
It's been
stinks.
here for a long time.
David
Also-
Yurman, are you going through a midlife crisis? Would you like thread with a bead found in the bottom of the Pacific Ocean? Go
Yeah.
to David Yurman.
Yeah.
All right. Buy you some jewelry you could wear when you go to the club with your girlfriend who's 20 years old, but
That's
her
right.
boobs are 1 year old.
That's right. Looks
That's
great
right.
with an outfit from Chico's.
That's right. You're going to take a Viagra, do a little coke, and pass out before you can penetrate her. Oh, yeah. These expensive.
What?
Bloody shoes.
Damn.
They're bloody shoes. They're bloody. So, can you know, Andrew Cunanan, that's right. I killed Versace in a place where Heather and Mero ate food.
Ooh,
Yeah.
delicious.
You
You know the vibes.
Muy bien. Muy bien.
Muy bien.
AKA the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, palm me charger.
Oh, sit on it.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze.
Woo.
Who's fucking bitch on freeze is this? You just sitting there
Arf.
like, that's not how you pronounce it. So I'm not going out there.
Sorry.
Topic of gossip is
Ooh.
Sayase. Shout out to 11791. Hey, I want to talk about the flight patterns of Delta Flight 1139 on Friday nights. It's going right over my bingo hall.
That's right.
Yeah.
It's chemtrails.
Also,
Things of that nature.
I've seen Kimberly Gonzalez picking someone up from the stop and ride that's not her husband. Let's discuss that.
Oh.
How about that?
Who was it?
She's been whoring at peak time.
Ooh.
Yeah, that pussy must be good.
Wow, must be yanking, as they say.
Yeah.
Ah.
I heard she gets her back blown out in Belmont.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I'll take her to see Billy Joel at the Garden.
Listen, she once gave me Toppy in Babylon. Okay, Grandpa Joe, 'cause when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticker, or he'll scratch you, or he might give you that disease that cats give pregnant women. They clean their litter boxes.
Yeah.
Watch
Hysteria, I think it's called.
It's called hysteria.
Yeah.
The only way you can calm them is slap them to and fro, throw water on them, or penetrate them with a dildo.
With a Hitachi.
I saw it in an HBO
That's
show.
right.
How
That's
y'all
right.
feel?
True.
Your man Dead ID this morning, Sheriff. Just walking through this Aeron. Be ashamed if some deer antler shots went missing. Cocoa butter for $28. Who's robbing who?
I reckon y'all are out of your minds.
You can't say cotton picking mine no more.
No, that's why I said I reckon.
Okay. No, I'm just saying you can't. We lost another word. It's so sad.
Yeah.
Shout out to all my races out there. You know, y'all losing vocabulary.
Listen, man.
We're losing recipes.
Yeah, listen. It's okay.
They lost that.
You'll be okay.
They lost articulate.
Statues. You know what I'm saying? But you'll be okay.
Moon cricket.
Grow up.
Oh.
To eat your body and chill.
Mr. Chopping that street is bad beats like I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asiatic addict who'll crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina, refresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor. The sheep ass killer. No one could be iller. Remember, it's not gay to treat your face right and keep your pores clean.
That's right.
Also, why would that be gay?
Well, yeah, why would it?
You know, I always feel bad, like a dirty gay person.
Oh yeah.
Because it's like there's all this pressure put on them. Like, yo,
yeah, like yo, you have to be
like we come through like, yo,
clean.
What outfit are you putting on today? He's like, I'm just waking up.
I still got crust in my eye.
That's the equivalent of like when you're at a party, you see a black person on a dance floor and you make the circle and he's like, go Jamroom, go Jamroom, fuck it up now.
And he's
like,
shit.
I
don't really know.
grew up with white people.
How do I do? Hey!
Then you start doing mad Fortnite dances and shit.
He's like, hey! Is that it, right? This is the Millie Rock, right?
So remember, each one teach one. Remember, don't stereotype anyone.
That's right.
Unless they're good stereotypes like Asians with math. You can let that one cook. What's so wrong about it? I'm suddenly a 70-year-old white woman. It's a compliment.
I mean, they're smart. I'm just saying they're smart. What's wrong with that?
If it's not true, go to Bronx High School of Science at 3 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay?
All right. How about that? Huh?
All right. See more chins in the Chinese phone book.
Oh, damn.
Who said that?
Okay, Lord Finesse. Somebody from the DITC crew said that.
Am I so wrong for keeping hip-hop alive?
Oh, Akinelli said that. Akinelli definitely said that, yes. He said, attack more chins than a Chinese phone book. I was like... So
I expected better from the creator of Put It in Your Mouth.
Yeah. And who also authored the seminal album Octopussy, I believe.
Yes. He had a song about
Octopus, the octopus.
He had a song about pushing his pregnant girlfriend down the steps.
Oh wow.
But it was like loving.
Lovingly?
Yeah. He was like, I don't want to, but it's an option.
Yo.
So here's the math. Put It in Your Mouth came out, I want to say 1996.
Okay.
If you do the math, both Michelle Obama and Barack know the words Put It in Your Mouth.
Yeah, let me tell you what I said. Put it in my mouth.
She said put it in her mouth.
I mean my motherfucking mouth.
She said put it in her mouth.
Mouth, yo.
So next time, like for our younger listeners, next time your mother want to act up, be like, yo, you was in the club sick, put it in your mouth. Sherry.
Relax, Karen.
How you feel?
All right.
I know what happened when you went to Daytona.
Yeah.
I seen the
Talk
SD
about
card
drip.
you hit in.
Every drip drop, don't you waste it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Cheryl.
Cheryl, what are you talking about? Cheryl, you ever had black cock? Black cock. Back in South Beach, there was no black cock. This is a very problematic MTV episode. Hi, I'm Dan Cortez. We're here with Black Cock on spring break.
Welcome to the grind. We're going to be grinding some black cock.
Oh, it's a different type of grind. But first,
it's grinder.
But first, we got Geraldo with Rico Suave.
Yeah.
Don't ask why he's on a headband. It has nothing to do with like the hair pieces you're wearing. I was like, is this the national anthem of Puerto Rico? I was like, it's not.
No.
Are you sure?
Puerto Rico.
That was a big bop for y'all.
Yeah.
That's when I was like, oh wait, Dominicans and Puerto Ricans are different. I was like, wow, I gotta keep up.
Yeah, you got read
for a
the
long
manual.
time. I thought this was the anthem of Puerto Rico. This Nina song.
Oh my god.
I was like, yo, nothing but respect for my.
You see a Puerto Rican gold medalist and shit, like standing at the podium crying and shit, with this shit playing in the background.
I'm not out in front of the bodega. That's stolen valor. What are you doing? What are you doing? A lot of poppies died for that.
Coward!
Take that bag off that bottle. You didn't earn that.
Take that Puerto Rican flag durag off.
AKA Problematic Bay.
Yeah.
Top Secret Family.
Yeah.
If everyone knows about them.
Stupid. And
Up next, coming to the bodega with one Chico stick and a tiger bear, and not enough money to pay for either one.
That's right. It's your motherfucking boy. Fucking Mero.
You can knock him down with one hard slap to the face, and he's gonna fall into the Little Debbie's. It's gonna be comical.
The whole rack. I'm gonna fuck up all your snacks. That's right. It's the Kid Mero. The human do-rag
Mero.
A.K.A. Donovan the Dab, A.K.A. Curve Gotti, A.K.A. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Skirt loader, jump the curb, hit your motherfucking Irish Wolfhound and keep it moving, nigga. Ask me if I give a fuck. He was only going to live to 7 anyway. They have poor circulation because they have very long limbs. You know what I'm saying? It's okay. You know what I'm saying? I know fucking baby, I fucking mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. don't need to check the guest list. I am the guest list, motherfucker. I played The Rock and Jason Statham's headlines in Hobbs and Shaw. Don't fucking touch me, bro. Yo, Nate, shoot this nigga's fucking nose ring off. I don't give a fuck. A.K.A. CC Dab Bathia. You know what I'm saying? Catch me in my basement doing highly concentrated shots of THC. You dig? You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. Manipulate some currency and some weed, nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I got my kids a 6-bedroom, 3.5 bath, bouncy house that has Wi-Fi because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year, nigga.
It's a cool house, but like I really want like more of exposed wood. And your daughter said she wanted more exposed brick. So,
okay.
She's like, are you want to settle on this? Because we have 2 more houses I want to show you.
Yeah, let's look at those. Let's look at those. Is that, excuse me, you got fucking exposed big money, you little motherfucker? Huh?
I can't live in squalor.
All right, cool. We'll take this one. We'll take
Okay.
this one. Okay.
She actually said that I should refer to her as far as the purchases go.
Yeah. I mean,
she just said
that's...
you're just the guy that be with her moms and shit. And then you smoke funny in the basement.
Oh yes,
yeah,
yes.
So
that's me.
That's you,
Mr. Funny. Just smoking the funny.
Is that Benzo's sidekick, Mr. Funny?
Mr. Funny.
Hey guys, gotta tell you, I'm a registered sex offender.
Guys, that's why they call me Funny because you know
my hands are funny. Oh, look at this 7-year-old. She's gonna be a looker. Wow.
Oh my god.
Benzo and Funny.
We're here.
Keep your eye on your kids while we perform.
Hide your kids, hide your wife.
Keep your eye on your kids because I got my eye on them.
Oh my god.
Why are they making the kids so sexy nowadays?
Oh no. Yo.
Where's Morgan?
Oh my god. AKA fucking bitch smack me up, bro. AKA yo Maradona. You know what I'm saying? Kiss me out fucking Black Monday doing a fat rail. You know what I'm saying? Doing a bicycle kick. AKA dick in your bed mutopo. You don't come with this pussy no more. You respect this pussy's agency. Okay? You know what I'm saying? AKA David Trisdale, nigga, pow. Take that for data, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? We got all the power forwards in the league. All of them. Every single one. Both Morris twins. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow Zantana. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car.
Hey, little girl, while your dad's passed out, get out the car. Mr. Funny, what are you doing?
It's funny, taking off this shit, goddamn. Somebody give me some funny. This ain't funny. This was funny. It was funny. Now it's funny.
It's not so funny, is it?
Oh, you funny. AKA the Dominican Donna Duckman daddy, you know what I'm saying? So he catch me out there with some choppies, you know what I'm saying? AKA swipe my card again, there's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your management when they come up here and ask for selfies and ask me how Heather and the kids are doing. You know what I'm saying?
How are they doing?
Edward, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can see your name tag. I'm reading it.
Wait, you said Edward or Edward?
Edward.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no. I'm not that famous yet.
I'm just waiting for the day to call someone sugar tits.
Huh? You like your little fucking outlet job, Edwin, huh? You know what I'm saying? They put the fucking dry fit ankle socks in the bag and keep it moving. Fucking jerk. AKA Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mami. Yeah, me and Cardi B on stage at the Garden, triple kissing your titi, nigga. I don't care. Guess what I got on? Yes.
Nipple rings?
No, nigga, Chelsea boots. I'll fuck you up. My
Wow,
suede Chelsea
wow,
boots.
wow.
We're going to brunch, nigga.
Wow.
Fuck out of here. AKA Latinel Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for?
It's not, bro.
I can see it in your eyes, Michael Anthony. What the fuck you doing here? The dope spot is down the block.
I was supposed to meet Mr. Fun. Mr. Funny.
Oh, no. You don't want to meet him.
Mr. Funny said he'll give me a sack.
No, listen.
He said he wants to do a sack for a sack. I don't know what that trade means, but I mean, I'm down with it.
Mr. Funny will have you dancing on the ceiling, if you know what I mean.
He told me to shave my my marble bag. I don't know what that means,
Oh, boy, you in trouble.
but so like. Also, he said
Michael Anthony,
he said
you
that
in
anything that
danger.
happens on the ferry is international water.
You
So like
know.
I can't get he can't get arrested for it.
That's not true.
Yeah.
He's gonna hit you with the endless handy.
What is that?
He's gonna chafe your penis.
Wow, that doesn't sound pleasant. Have you seen Julio? Man, I'll just go do dope. Thanks for saving my life, bro.
I appreciate that.
Yo, good luck at a freestyle festival.
Thank you.
I heard Big Time Tommy's gonna be there. He's a legend.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's take it easy.
Yeah, we'll take it easy.
Take it easy.
We'll take it easy. I'm about to take it easy on my left vein, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, God, it's Mr. Funny fuck.
How you going, little boy? I want to be the one you're sucking.
Hey, I heard.
ET 13. Yeah. Mr. Funny.
I heard Mikey likes it. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated like Bobby Kraft. You know what I'm saying? AKA Field to ask Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos, ma, consensually. You know what I'm saying? Especially the Milky Way of your panties. You know what I'm saying? When you take them off and leave them in the hamper for like a week. Yeah.
Relax.
Yeah. AKA a little snoozy very first thing gonna tap on our live.
Not to cut you off. Sniffing panties is cool when they're fresh. If you go in a hamper a week after, you just nasty.
Nasty.
You just,
Susie
they don't
boys.
even smell like that. They just smell like all the other dirty
All the
laundry
other shit.
I was like, who had tandoori? This shit smell like chutney.
Yo, okay, little snoozy first motherfucker to tap on our Instagram live. You know what I'm saying? First innovator.
That's right. You gotta
Before
you
your
gotta,
favorite SoundCloud
You gotta take
rapper.
it to the next level. You
You know
gotta
what I'm
like.
saying?
You gotta die on Instagram Live.
Straight up.
I gotta come through with the Narcan and save
to
you.
save me. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be lit.
Lit.
Say, AKA Brian L. Messi, MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zaniel Benningfield. I gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah, nigga. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Got P on deck. You know what I'm saying? He's flipping the coals. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I'll replace your circulatory system with that of a Toyota Cell from 1987. I'm getting bored in the White House at this point. I'm just performing surgeries for no reason at all. I am the reason Mitch McConnell will live another 100 years. I'm sorry. I apologize. AKA, I will be in your medicine cabinet. You know what the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen, man. AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. You know what I'm saying? AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport 2-5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA live from the front of Lobsmith, taking a sip of your Henny and Coke while you're not looking, doing all his greatest hits and harassing Hasan to play freestyle. It's the East Stream on Stevie B. Doing all my joints like I wanna be the one your DD is fucking and Toxic Love. Don't let me lean. You know what I'm saying? Because you might fall in the tracks and die. AKA.
Oh God, the trains are late again.
Oh, yo. I'm sorry.
Attention passengers. The Uptown 2 train is delayed. We have another Stevie B in front of the train. Sorry, we apologize. As soon as we get him lifted off, we're going to keep moving forward. Sorry, this happens all the time. We want to blame this on the fare beaters. Yeah.
You should have took the one. Instead of the 2 train.
Hey, he's one of the ones that threw the water on the cop. Beat him. Beat him. He tried to kill him. He waterboarded that guy. He literally waterboarded him on the street.
Yeah, he waterboarded the
What he
back of
got
his
to do is
head.
nothing different than what ISIS does.
It's exactly
Respect
the
the
same.
cops. Respect. I don't give a fuck if it's a human cop, if it's Paw Patrol, if it's Kit. You respect the cops.
That's right.
All right. Blue Lives
Terrible.
Matter.
That's right.
Blue lives matter, but when the bill comes around to Applebee, blue lives scatter. Am I right, McCarthy? You fucking douche, pay the bill.
Well,
my goddaughter's graduation.
I bought the first round.
Come on.
What do you want?
You bought the first round and you drank it all together. Come on.
I mean,
Come on.
that's semantics.
Also, I don't want to be that guy, but your wife Jennifer, she's not so much fun when she's been in rehab.
I mean,
stop bringing her around. She's a buzzkill.
Listen, I gotta stick with her. Her hands are a little ruddy, but it is what it is.
I mean, she catches 2 DUIs and she kills 5 kids, and now she can't party anymore. Get her the fuck out of here.
All right. Kim, go home.
All right.
There's only 2 rock stars left in the world, mate.
Who are they?
The Bodega Boys, mate. And I'm one of them. The plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a bundle of Bodega in my bud. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met Mike Francesa, dog. I'm never gonna fail.
Never.
You know what I'm saying? AKA, chilling at the crib off edibles, waiting for Pat Riley to call. It's Marmelo's Anthony
for 3.
Bang!
Off the side of the rim.
Oh,
wow.
wow.
LeBron is like, why did I bring you through?
Wow. He ate a crave case and fell asleep in his car.
He
wow.
doesn't seem to be paying attention. He keeps looking at the stands for Lala.
Shout out to benzodiazepine. If you see me at Target higher than Willie Nelson on a motherfucking hot air balloon, nigga, approach me like a motherfucking Ursine mammal, dog. I may react erratically. Do not bother me. I'm trying to figure out if Reese's peanut butter is the same peanut butter that's inside of Reese's cup. This is science we're doing right now. You know what I'm saying?
Is it?
It's not.
It's not?
It's not.
It's a lie?
It's a lie,
It's the white man's technology?
Technology.
You know what's bad? Because I said it's a white man's technology and it sounds like more racial than it is. It's not. It's, just like, it's probably just some white man made it. But now it sounds like some sort of global conspiracy.
They don't want us to have the same peanut butter, brother.
My name is Jeff. Like, I just didn't replicate the recipe. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Yeah, but
So, damn, you can't even trust the Reese's Pieces.
Nah.
You know why? Because that's some fat shit. Why are you trying to eat Reese's peanut butter outside of Reese's? What's wrong with you?
That's the best part.
Eat inside the cup. That's why
too many
the
cups.
government back in the day, you used to be able to get like a vat of it, and like people were dying. That's why the government
they
broke it off
regulated
in the
it.
cups.
It's like prohibition.
It was like people were addicted to Kit Kats. And I was like, Kit Kats were the original Xanny bars in the Depression. That's why they come in the long sticks like that. Because people would get them too hyped up off of chocolate and selling their kids during the Dust Bowl.
Boom.
Boom.
Now you got to sell world's finest.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
I remember it was
Support
like,
your school.
give me a kit. Bring me a piece. Bring me a piece. Bring me a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Oh, I'll suck your dick. That was the original one. That was the original.
It was true.
That's what they used to sing in the Depression. Back when they were dancing on the wings of like airplanes and shit. Yeah.
That's what they were doing. There's an old picture of it's black and white. They're all sitting on that steel beam, and one of them is topping the other one off.
Yeah, they have on dirty Fila sneakers.
Yo, fucking shit. Yo, okay. Hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. I'm here with my sidekick Fun.
Hey, who wants to have fun? Who wants to have fun? I get knocked down, but I get up again.
Yeah, I'm gonna let him take over while I raid your medicine cabinet. Say goodbye to your deposit.
Where's all my sexy kids at?
Bye.
All my sexy, hey sexy kitties, can I get to know you? Cause I want to go on and on and on and on. Who's here? Who's the unaccompanied minor? Who here? Listen, if you're here without a parent, you have to come over here in the safe zone. I have to watch you. Whose parents are not really paying attention, or maybe they're drinking. Come over here. I'll show you some of Benzo's secret magic tricks. Are you a cop, bro? You gotta tell me.
You gotta tell me.
Stupid! I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Technically, I have on gloves, so it doesn't count.
That's protection.
That's protection. Gotta use protection, kids. There's some real weirdos out here.
Yo, AK, I saw fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's on brisk iced tea and melatonin.
Do you remember that brisk iced tea commercial with the snowman? They had a skeleton inside of him.
That was creepy as fuck.
I was like, I'm off brisk. Brisk is a Babylon thing.
Yo, side, they don't use real tea leaves. It say lifted on the can, but it's a scam.
They use the kids from Pizzagate.
Oh shit! Yo.
Is this Hillary driving over the dump truck?
Oh, no.
Mr. Fun. Here's the kids as delivered.
Relax.
There's a picture of Hillary and Mr. Fun. Mr. Funny.
No.
Here's the #1 fundraiser for her. And that's why you couldn't have her in there. She's doing some sick things. She's low T Hillary.
Terrible.
Investigate Comet Pizza. Come do it with the strap. Shoot that bitch up. They got kids in the pizza ovens. The Zappolis are made of foreskins.
Yeah. Look into it. Investigate. Do your own research to validate fake news.
Look into it. Why Albanians make Italian food? Does it sit well with my soul?
Yo, damn, this shit is gonna short out.
This soundboard is basically the power grid, and we're Con Edison. We're like,
Oh,
all right, okay. If we could just get to listen, we're gonna be a surge when Showtime on Apollo comes on, but I think we can make it through.
I think we're good.
Listen, it's the last half hour of SNL. People turning off their TVs, so we good.
We're good. Oh, now is the time to turn your volume down 2 notches. Hasan, dime la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que. Esta es la vuelta que hay. Llegó el líder de FIFA, coño. Es fuerte, demasiado rata, está más pegado que Jesucristo en la cruz. Llega a la grasa. Siempre con la bandera alta. Ya. Como la nota, papi, ya tú sabes. Oye, loco, estamos de gira. Y si tú no llegaste a ver a Beyoncé en Coachella, ¿ok? Esta vaina es igualita, ¿ok, manín? Así que Los Ángeles, California, prepárate que vamos allá. You know what I'm saying? Shout out La Casa, Showtime. Shout out Casa. Shout out Hasan y Senga que ponen la fucking nota. Shout out a las nenas de la bodega, Dai y Vicky. Y shout out a mi presidente Pillo, coño, la secretaria de defensa, activo con el meneo. Avísame, loco, que suelto el cañón. You know what I'm saying? Y shout out a Roberto Maíz Casa. You know what I'm saying? In the house. One time for you mind. You know what I'm saying? And also, un aplauso, por favor, para Desus Bueno. You know what I'm saying? We out here in the streets. Me quité. Yeah, peace in the Middle East.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Peace in the Middle East. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Vanilla Ice at the Grammys in 1993. Yo, be sure to check out bodegahype.com. There's still tickets available for our live shows, which have been met so well. People are throwing drugs at us on the stage.
That's right.
That's how good the show is. I saw a review. This girl was like, they said nothing. They were talking about nothing, and it was the funniest thing ever. That's what you get.
Yeah.
That's what you get. If you want to get 2 people from the Bronx who don't understand anything about your town and are pretty smacked,
yeah, how about your boys?
Say less.
You know what I mean? We beat
Listen,
it.
we got Houston. We got 2 LA shows.
Woo! Dallas.
We got Dallas.
You know what I'm saying?
We got we were performing in where? We got the Vegas joint.
Yeah, Life is Beautiful Festival.
We got that in there. We got the Sarajevo.
You know what I'm saying?
Word. Czechoslovakia.
You know what I'm saying?
The
live,
AK-47 shit.
And a special show live from Chernobyl, y'all.
That's
you know
right.
What I'm saying? We got
Get your
hazmat
ticket
suit.
now.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, you want to laugh until your skin falls off your jowls?
You know what I'm saying?
Let's go.
Let's get it. First 100 VIP tickets get a Bodega Boys hazmat suit.
Yo, first 1,000 get a Bodega Boys Geiger calendar. How's that feel? And we got potassium pills for the first 1,000 ladies.
That's
So
right.
you don't lose your ovaries.
Hey.
Cause we love you.
Hey.
As always, check out the show. #1 show on late night Showtime.
You know what I'm saying? Monday, Thursday, 11 o'clock, stupid.
And be sure to check out the channel, YouTube. Bodega Boys channel on YouTube, because you can see the live version of this. So if you're watching this now, you're like, I already know about that. But some of y'all listening don't know about that. So check that out. So basically, listen, thank you for listening. And we want to take over the globe and keep your kids away from Mr. Funny.
Hey,
Good night.
kids, hey, open your brown eye.